Exposing the secret in your kitchen cabinet that beats cold and cough fast. First up, let's tackle that congestion. Steam inhalation is your best friend. Boil some water, add a drop of eucalyptus oil and breathe in the steam. Instant relief. Next, soothe that sore throat with a honey lemon tea. Just mix a spoonful of honey and a squeeze of lemon in warm water. Not only does it taste great, but it works wonders. Got a cough that won't quit? Try a teaspoon of honey before bed. It's a natural cough suppressant. And don't forget the classic chicken soup. It's not just comfort food, it actually helps reduce cold symptoms. Lastly, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids. Water, herbal teas and broths keep your throat moist and clear out the mucus. Remember, rest is key. Your body heals best when you're well rested, so cozy up and get plenty of sleep. Feeling better already? Share these tips with a friend and let's beat that cold and cough together.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more natural health tips.